Look what I have here. It's a haunted house kit. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Mama, look what it is.
Oh wow, I see some spooky stuff here. We have some spooky walls, some nice arc windows. We have a roof here. We have some friendly ghosts and some pumpkins, tiny little pumpkins.
And these leaves.
And the leaves.
And the whoopies.
We have witches here. We have one witch here.
We have
another witch.
We have webs.
Yeah, we have webs. And a cat on the roof. Some little mushrooms here. Some bats on the wall. We have a cauldron here.
We have a pumpkin.
Let's see what's on this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wonder what this is. This could be the garden.
This could be a rug.
And we have a vampire and a tree and a bird. So many stuff here. Let's start building our haunted house together.
Yeah.
Alright, so since these are cardboard cutout pieces, I'm going to gently push these pieces out one at a time so that they don't tear. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, look who's helping. My daughter joined in to build our haunted house too. She's doing such a careful job popping these pieces out with me. Great teamwork. Building things together is so much fun. It's like a little puzzle. You just have to find which piece fits where. And before you know it, you've made something amazing. Alright, I think we've got them all popped out. Now it's time to color our haunted house. We're using both markers and crayons because we didn't have all the colors and markers, and that's okay. You can always mix and match what you have at home. I'm starting with the window frames. I think blue will look really nice. Oh look, my daughter's helping with some of the smaller pieces. She's coloring a little pumpkin.
Mommy, I'm trying to stay inside the pumpkin. Again, a little bit outside the line, but that's fine.
What color should I do?
You can do anything you want.
I'll do purple.
Okay, you can do purple.
Now let's color the inside. This side looks like it has some hallways with some cute details. Looks like my little one is coloring her cauldron just like mine. Wow, the inside looks amazing. My daughter got started on the front door of the house. I'm coloring the tower at the very top of the house. My daughter's coloring the vampire now with black and red. And look at those brown boots. Stylish. Now I'm coloring the base of the house. This piece goes all the way at the bottom to support the rest of the haunted house. It looks like a little garden or patio with paving stones on the floor. Oh, look at what my daughter's been up to. She colored some balcony railings, a gravestone, a little witch, and even some dormers for the house. Great job, little one. I've already colored some of the smaller details. An orange cat sitting on a stack of colorful books, a spooky looking tree, the other little witch with the broom, and a spiderweb rug for the second floor. Now it's time to build our haunted house. Finally, our haunted house is built. Just one last detail. A little tea light in the attic to make it glow. Perfect. Wow, look at our haunted house. Have a safe and happy Halloween, everyone.